I never thought I would see the day where I would buy a selfie stick. Welcome to today's short adventure. It's not going to be very long, unfortunately, just because I am still a little under the weather. There's a path down there that I've never seen before. I was on the Greenway, found this little, not little at all, this big, it's not really a rock garden. Let's keep moving through here and see what else is in here. Oh, this is too cool. Like nothing under it. It's just floating. But the good news is, we're by the water. Don't fall. If this thing falls, I'm done. And spider webs. So it's been a very interesting week. I got what I like to refer to as the smoker's flu. It is all the symptoms of the flu, but you're not contagious. Because that's one thing I've never really talked about is I'm a smoker, but today will be 2 days cigarette free. I'm halfway through the second day and I'm quitting because that's definitely one thing. You know, I want to be an inspiration, but I don't want to be an inspiration for people to smoke. It's stupid, don't do it. And also, I look like Blippi. My 5-year-old let me know that I look like Blippi. Other than that, that has caused me to have to stay off the bike because I haven't had any energy until today. And today I'm just really forcing myself to get out because I didn't like not being able to make videos. You know what, we're gonna do this. Spider web. This is pretty high up. I don't know if it's gonna GoPro effect, but this is amazing. All right, so on top of not being able to ride the bike because just being under the weather, it caused my depression and suicidal thoughts to come back. So that's why I'm forcing myself to get out today. Yesterday was really, really hard. I don't know what I'm doing right now. This is that bridge I was on a while ago. The water actually goes out of here. And this is like a natural spring, but they built it up with walls, I guess during the Civil War. But it goes all the way. Everything comes out from back there and under here and stuff, so it's pretty cool. Well, it's official, this selfie stick is a piece of shit. So I gotta buy a new one already. Oh, can I do this? I did. See, now this I don't like. People leaving their hooks and their fishing string everywhere. So before I leave, I'm going to grab that and wrap it up, cork it, and get all that out of here. Should we ride down this and see how far we can go? I think we should definitely do that. No crashies, no flatties, no whammies. Oh, wow, okay. Really, that's it? Should we keep going? Let's do it. No balls. Ugh. Oh, I don't know what I just hit. It wasn't fun. Yeah, this is an old bed, riverbed. I think we need to start trying to find our way off of here. It's just getting rougher and rougher. All right, up and out. This is the way we came down. Watch your pedal there. Oh, heavy, heavy. All right, so we have done some rock climbing today and just some little bit of exploring. Saw another spot right there we'll probably check out next time we're out and about. But if you made it this far, thank you very much. Make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and thank you in advance. But we'll see you on the next one.